What do eggs sound like?
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be doing sad moans today. Arizona's thinking
Sad moans.
Welcome to the Cringe Empire.
Welcome to the Cringe Empire.
Sad moans, Shuddy. The fuck?
I want that one, the Lucy WTF. I want that one.
Does it sound accurate?
I'm gonna go put that in the
Sound
soundboard.
like an accurate sad moan? That sounds like bad sex. It sounds like bad sex. Dude, I'm pretty sure bad sex sounds like this. Alright, let me show you what it sounds like. Oh, fuck, let me close this. Alright, Shadi, here's what bad sex sounds like. Are you done yet?
Damn.
Yeah, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna like scroll on Reddit on my phone, I guess. My god, that's such a funny cat picture.
That sounds normal. Yo, that's crazy. Someone said true.
Yeah, if you don't
1
mind,
second. There it is.
scroll on
True.
Reddit on my phone, I guess.
You know what's crazy? I've never had this experience, so I have no idea.
Scroll on Reddit on my phone.
Is this
I
true?
guess.
Couldn't be me. I don't know what I'm saying.
That's
I
such
don't.
a funny cat picture.
100% true. You don't get laid.
I'm pretty sure that's what bad
This
sex
is someone's
sounds like,
fetish.
Shadi.
Yeah, that's crazy, yo. Let me know if you've ever experienced that, cause I have.